What's this? What's this? The moon. What's this? Is it a triangle? What's this?
Sun.
The sun. What's this? Oops. A zebra. What are these? What's this? What are those? Shapes? What's this? What is it? Is it a triangle? What are these? What are they? Bananas. What's this? What is it? What color is it? It's green. What's this? What's this? Look, Ivy. Ivy. What's this?
Tree.
It's a tree. What's this? Look what Mama has. It's a carrot. Very good. What's that? What color is it? It's orange. What is this a picture of? Grapes? What's this? It's a circle. What color is it? It's purple. Purple. What's this? It's a girl. What's this? Is it a high five? Yes, Butter's toes. What's this? It's a square. What color is it? It's blue. What is this? An apple. What's this? A triangle. What's this? You know what this one is. What does the lion say? Very good. What's this? It's a bee. What's this? It's a bear. What's this? A circle. What color is it? It's red. Here's one.